Have you ever wanted to see a cat drinking Lipton, an umbrella that is made out of fire, a levitating skateboard, a magical forest filled with capybaras, or even what the world would look like if the Central Powers won World War II? Well, me neither. But today we're going to be generating all of those wild ideas and much, much more with the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney. Let's begin. Hello everybody, my name is Jemmy, and today I would like to give you a brief overview of the magical power of ChatGPT plus Midjourney. And you see some of these images on the screen right now as this cute cat with this little like orange bottle right here. This was all AI generated, by the way. There's no picture like this in the world. This is really cool and you can do it as well. It's not that hard, for free. Everything is completely for free. You just need the knowledge of how to do it. For example, you can make this one, this one, this one, this one, or there's more. Let me show you. This one, a cat eating ramen. Let me full screen this. Another cat eating ramen, more cats eating ramen, like a cyberpunk theme. This one, another one as well. As you can see, little cables and everything. It's really detailed and looks really, really cool, like so. And you don't even have to limit yourself to cats. You could try capybaras as well. This is capybaras in cyberpunk. So as you can see, very futuristic. And oh, that's the water power. And this is also more cool. This is more neon and it looks like really purple, which I like. And I like cyberpunk in general. So yeah, it looks really cool. I like this one the most. Alright, anyways, you can do this completely for free, but as long as you have the knowledge. Let's start. Let's begin with our trusty friend ChatGPT. ChatGPT, as we all know, is very intelligent and it can do a lot of stuff. And today we're going to be making it generate images for us. So yeah, let's begin. First, we're going to paste this prompt into this. This is a really long prompt, and I did not make this prompt, by the way. Philip Anders did. Link to his channel down below. All credit goes to him. But anyways, this prompt will generate a really, really long and, precise, detailed image of what we want. It says, can you create 3 separate, highly detailed prompts for the AI image generator Midjourney? Each detail must be separated by a comma, which describes the scene and intricate detail, adding artistic style, the lighting, setting, then artistic descriptive terms, and the mood of the image. Very, very detailed, so we get a very specific image. So let's begin. Let's pretend we want to see... what? Okay, I got it. A forest filled with capybaras, as mentioned in the intro. Capybaras, like so. Enter. And it says, a misty morning in the forest with a ray of soft golden light filtering through the trees. Oh my god, illuminating a peaceful stream, the air still with the only sound being rustle, occasional chirping birds. The capybaras with their sleek brown fur, curious eyes seem to be completely at ease in this serene setting, and their relaxed energy fills the air with a sense of calm and contentment. As you can see, 3 beautiful prompts, and we can use each of these to generate 4 images. So yeah, let's do it. And of course, we cannot do this without Midjourney, right? Midjourney is in Discord, by the way. It's not an app that you can install, or it's not a website you can go to. I mean, I'm pretty sure they have a website, but it's easier to use in Discord. So yeah, let's join the Discord. First off, go to your local browser. Any browser would work. I'm going to use Chrome. Search Midjourney Discord. Join. Wait. Join like this. Horrible grammar, but it's fine. And you can see the Discord of Midjourney comes up. Press on the first link. And then click Join Midjourney. Like so. I'm a human. And then choose containing a dog t-shirt. Okay. Dog. That's a dog, right? I'm pretty sure that's a dog. Enter. There you go. And then now it should pop up here. It says, let's customize your experience. It takes a bit of time. Oh, it's here again. All right. Well, now it works. But basically what you want to do when you come here is if you want to pay, if you want to get a paid version, you should go click on any channel, click on Midjourney bot like this, and then send a DM, pretend like hello, right? Just to get to, as you can see, I already tried this, but it didn't work. So just to get into its chat, and once you do this, you can do /imagine, and then what you imagine, it could be like, I don't know, capybaras. But it will come up like this message. You're not allowed to DM. You have to do /subscribe, which requires a plan that you need to pay for. But as I said earlier, we're going to do this completely for free. So we just use the community one, which we share with other people. And I'm going to be using newbies 183 because it's the fastest one. I recommend you use the last one, which is in the newbies. So it needs to be newbies and then a number. I'm going to use 183 because it seems the fastest because nobody's using it that much. So we're going to be using this one. And let's go find our prompt that ChatGPT created for us. Let's do this one first. Try not to copy the little quotation marks, but if you copy it, it's fine as well. And we're going to do /imagine, and then we're going to paste it in. Okay. And some of you, it might come up accept TOS, like a green button here. Press that, and then it should work. Also, the reason why it's different if you do it from a DM or a server is that when you do it in a server, you have to go in a queue and wait for other people to be done with theirs first, and then yours come. But mine's come rather fast because, again, I'm using the fastest one. But if you do a DM, it comes instantly. You're always the first priority because you're the only one there. However, if it does this, then you have to wait a bit. Well, as you can see some capybaras, and you can check how much percentage it's done. It's 62% right now. We can start to see the shape forming. 62. You can really see the result at like 90 to 100. Wow, look at that. You see that? Capybaras in the magical forest. Look at that. Rays of sunlight. These are capybaras. Look. And these are really cool pictures. I like it so much. And we can also do a bit more with this as well. U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3, V4. These images, they're counted by 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they all have their respective names. U1 stands for upscale one. As you can see, this one's quite low resolution because it shares the panel with 3 other pictures. So if you really like one of them, like I think I like number 2 or 4 a lot. I think I'll go for number 2. So pretend we like number 2 a lot, right? And we want to get it singularly. So we press U2, which stands for upscale 2. This will expand it to be the only picture inside of the panel, and it'll make it, a lot bigger, as you can see right here. And you can click cancel job if you don't want to do it as well, but we have to wait because we gotta stay in queue. All right. Now what does the V do? The V creates different variety of that image, so it bases another image off this one. So pretend I like number 3. I'll do V3, and this will create other images that look somewhat like this number 3. It looks similar to it. So yeah, let's press V3. And again, we have to wait in queue, so we would have to wait until we're in upscaling and then wait for other people to be done with theirs, and then we can make a variety or variations. So yeah, I'll see you when it's it's right here. Okay, I don't have to see it anymore. I see you again. 0%, as you can see, doesn't look too great. This is not upscale, by the way. This is variety. For some reason, variety likes to come before upscale. I don't know why. But as you can see, this is the variations right here. And yeah, if we compare this with the number 3, remember these images with the little tree bark here, 1, 2, 3, 4 capybaras. Let's go back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little tree branch as well. So as you can see, very similar to each other. And there you go. This one is our expanded one. Looks pretty good. You can see, look kind of like more like wild boars than capybaras, but it's fine. As you can see, it's one singular image. Press right, click save image, and then we got the image, and we can use it for whatever we want because it is our own. There is no copyright or whatsoever. So you can just click save, and it's just done. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You can press web as well, like so, and it'll transport you to their website, like this. And I'm pretty sure in the website they enlarge your image as well. So you can either do it on a website or in Discord, but I like to do it in Discord because it's a lot easier. So yeah, the main command is just /imagine. Imagine, and then the prompt you have with it, you paste it in, and you get an image. So yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next one.